look at that.
We're gonna check out and
right
see
there.
what.
I'm not blocking you. This one's right there.
I know. I'm not blocking you. Don't block me. We're gonna go see if they've got any new toys in stock, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a few extras that we we kind of were rushing because we were trying to get school supplies and we accidentally got a few duplicates. So we're gonna exchange those and we're gonna go see if they have anything new. Are you ready to check it out?
Look how high I am. I'm
Look.
a hamster.
I'm a hamster. Run, little hamster, run,
Okay.
run.
No, I do not.
Let's go in. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
you're driving the
guys.
cart.
Wait, first off, I see this. And what is it?
What is that? Oh
It's
my
like-
goodness.
I saw these on
Amazing
Instagram.
Squishy. We have to try one of those.
I
don't
saw
we?
them on Instagram and they're really cute.
I don't really for sure know what it is, but it looks really cute. So,
I know what it is.
okay, so they have. Oh, that looks so cute. That decoupage. Okay, it's like a little trinket box that it's Melissa and Dog. I love Melissa and Dog. And then they've got the water surprise neon cutie. Okay, where's Emmy? She's leaving me. You're leaving me? Okay, Emmy. Oh my god, what the heck?
Look, they were here, but now they're gone.
You're kidding me.
They were here.
I'm gonna die. You're kidding. You came too late.
We're here.
Oh my god. Well, there has to be more. Is your heart pounding?
Yes.
So is mine. Okay, guys. What's going on over here? What did they have? Okay, so they had the Fashion Crush, which is, I assume, oh, it's gonna, holy crap. You're kidding me. And they don't let us take boxes anymore, I think, because I've taken 10 boxes. I've got donation. Who is that? It's Hop, no, whatever. Bonbon's pet, I think. Is it Hop Hop? I know, I'm just checking behind everything. They've got plenty of the fall surprise, plenty of the pets. People probably check the DCBI thing, which I don't do anymore. What is Rainbocorns?
No, I saw this on Instagram. Remember I showed you?
Are they all rainbows? Sequin surprises?
Yeah,
What am I supposed
I
to
get
do? Okay,
it.
put that on the card. I'm getting it. So that's what we're gonna have to do, basically. Just go around and like, this is the gross aisle. To me.
me.
Yeah, I know. To you. Yeah. She's just like, I mean, you know, if you guys love it, then yeah. I know. Okay. There's got to be somewhere else where the LOLs are.
Remember the news place that they were stocking in?
Okay. And then that's, yeah, we were just down there, right? Okay, let's go find the new aisle they were stocking in. Where are you going? You going that way? You go that way, I'll go this way. Oh my gosh, that hop sack race. That looks so fun. How much is this? This is on clearance. That's pretty cute. It's $10, so 20. You have to look into that. Okay, Emmy. Look, yeah.
I'm looking for the. Oh, mommy, also, there's new ones of these.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Well, obviously not here. Okay. Where are they at? It's kind of a mess, so like things could be
I'm
hidden.
gonna go in the other
I
aisle.
know. We might get lucky and find one of the big LOLs of the series. I don't know what the heck it is. Series 5? They got Ponzi's here, Ponzi's there. The new blue, whatever series of Hatchimals that is. They got some new JoJo merch, so that's cool. You know, all the Polly Pockets. Yeah. The Poopsies, but not the big ones. Oh my god, look at that big Peppa Pig. Ginormous. Oh.
I'm gonna go look at the new stocking aisle.
Okay.
If you don't see me, I'm gonna
Just
go.
holler for me. Oh my gosh, they have new snackables.
Snackables? New snackables?
So yeah, we gotta check.
Oh yeah, those.
The silly shakes.
They're new.
Which silly shake do you want?
I don't know.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's one with there's this one too. Which
I
one?
think those are slimes.
Oh my gosh, I think they are. These are adorbs.
I want this one.
Dang.
I want this one.
You want that one? Okay, you put that in. And then they have more of the Poopsies, but they don't have the big Poopsies. So, and then So we got all the shop pay stuff over here. And the Adorables, the Disney Adorables, the happy places. I need to get her that pamphlet for her birthday because I already got her the Rainbow Beach car. And then this one looks cute. It has like some little blind box doors. Super cute.
Hi guys, I'm back and I'm doing a vid in the car because I'm so excited to open this.
Okay, so if you guys were watching, we just did a quick Target run because we had a return, and so we were going to check and see if they had any more new toys. And so, yeah.
In the baby section, this is what there was. And this is a new toy.
Yeah, so
Well, stuffing.
the Rainbocorn was...
And then there's a unicorn and a kitty.
Oh my gosh, a kitty corn. That is so cute. I can't wait to see what we got. So I don't know because I see golden, so I'm like, is the plushie that we got golden? But I don't see any golden ones on the front. Any golden.
It might color change though.
Right, so they may have it on like a tricky color. It could be that little like mouse looking one in the corner that looks, yeah, kind of golden. Is by your leg. It's alright.
Yeah. It's a doggy.
It's a dog. It's a mouse. Anyway, so we're doing a quick backseat of the car video because Emmy could not wait. She's like, I have to open this now. I have to see what I got. Oh, that's good. So it looks like the Rainbocorns are by Zuru, and it looks like they are a sequin color change plushie in like a super cute, is it like a little hard case?
Yeah.
It's pretty adorable.
Hard
Yeah.
egg.
So she's seen these on Instagram, but we haven't seen them in any of...
Okay, it color changes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that could... A strawberry?
Yeah.
Show me, show me, show me.
Okay, it's not the unicorn here.
It's not the unicorn?
Wait, let me... Yeah.
Show me the strawberry. Yeah. We're sorry guys, you haven't seen the strawberry yet, and it's really cute, but I'm sure she'll show you eventually. Can you show them the strawberry? You're not even gonna wait. You're just... What? Oh, it's a bunny. It's a bunny with wings. It's a unicorn.
There's a baby egg.
No, there's not. What? What is that?
There's a baby egg.
We've never seen anybody open these, so we don't even know what's going on.
I never knew there was a baby.
I know. Okay, so this one has... Oh my god. That was, yeah. Look at his little teeth. That was so cute. Okay, do the sequins so they can see, like, where were the sequins at? Where were the color changing sequins at? Were they just literally...
Yeah, they were just...
Oh my gosh, let me see. What is that? Oh, okay. That's... Okay, well, silly me. That's actually just part
opens. Maybe
of... I don't know. I don't think so. That's super cute. Okay. So that's actually just part of the little egg.
Ready to see what's
What in the world? I'm ready. Your window's dirty. What is it? No way. What? Oh my gosh. Let me see that. Oh my gosh. That is like a little super cute vinyl character. Of oh, it's the baby, and he's like, it's too cute. Are you loving it? Oh my gosh, do you like the one you got? It's super cute. I know you probably would have.
I don't really like its teeth.
You don't really like its teeth. Yeah, maybe he's trying to get his big bunny teeth in. Yeah, maybe. Emmy's about ready to get her big girl teeth in. Yeah, that's probably gonna happen when you're at school. He's super cute. Lila would probably be obsessed with him. I know, the wings. That's so cute. Okay, so that was at Target. I
want to open one more thing.
What, you want to open one more thing? Well, first, since we just got done with our Target run, show the other things that we got at Target.
Oh, really?
We need to fix the back of her seatbelt, but we're not driving yet. So. What's the other stuff? Oh, it's just not in the shoulder thing.
I wanted to open this.
Oh, okay. We found that. Hold that up for me. That is a amazing squishy. Something.
You guys,
Collectables.
we didn't show you this.
No, we didn't.
But there's a new series of numbers.
That is so cute. New snackables. How cute is that? And it looks, it's like in a little shake cup with a straw. And it says I'm scented. It looks like little, like 3 different layers of slime. Maybe you can mix them. Can you smell it through the box?
No.
Ching. It's super cute though. Yeah. Hold it one more time. Just hold it to the side of you. That's adorable. Okay. So is that's all the toys we got, right?
No.
What? We got another toy. What did we get? Oh, I got that because I just had a feeling about it that it was one of the one of the leopard cheetah things. Okay. We'll save the num num because we have to do a num num video with the other snackables.
Yeah.
We have like, yeah, we have too many snackables just been sitting there. We need to get those done. So we'll save that, but we'll go ahead and do these. Okay. I'm crossing my fingers for because we've already opened one. We've already opened one set of these.
Yes. If you guys haven't checked that video out, go check it out.
Go check it out. And
You're not a really fancy.
we were.
No.
A frog. Yeah. A frog.
Giveaway.
Giveaway. You know what? You're right. Okay, because we already have the frog. All right. Well, he's super cute. It's not like he's not cute. We love him. We just already have him. We were hoping for like one of the cheetahs or I don't know, leopards or something.
Those are really rare.
I know, really rare. So, all right, so guys, for this giveaway, if you're 18 or older or have your parents' permission, then make sure you're subscribed to EmmyCat on YouTube. And then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and then comment down below what your favorite thing of all the things we found today at Target is.
Open it.
Oh my gosh.
Open it.
I can't wait to see that because I haven't. Emmy said she'd seen one of those and if you're on Instagram, we have an Instagram account that I run for her. It's EmmyCat and Lizzie B, all one word. And so we follow a lot of other like kid YouTubers.
Why are you just saying stuff when you're not even helping me?
Oh, you want me to help you with it? Oh my gosh. Okay. And anyway, so Emmy said that she has seen these before. I just did it.
Okay.
Yeah. She's seen these before. I haven't seen them before because it's, yeah, I haven't just been scrolling. She likes to just scroll and look at all the toys. Oh my gosh, that matches the fox that Leela got that was in the squishy bag. Ah, that's super cute. Let me see it. For her birthday, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Wasn't it when we took her shopping for her birthday that she picked out? Oh, these are really good. Yeah, these are really good squishies.
Well,
oh my goodness. Oh, these are good.
A unicorn, a fox, a seal,
Super
a
cute.
owl, a
Turtle?
no,
No, turkey? Just show me. Penguin.
penguin,
She's
duck,
tired.
panda,
Okay, let me see the checklist here. Okay, collect them all. So these are the amazing squishy collectables. Yeah, all these different characters to collect.
I'm opening
I
up
have seen these in the bigger packages, so now these are like the babies. And I like the unicorn and the narwhal, and I kind of like the owl. I like
the
kids.
unicorn, the narwhal. I like the owl. I like
And the penguin.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the ones I like too. Okay, well, that's what we found today. So we're hoping.
Oh yeah, and also another Justice Hall, except it's
Not a big bag, just a well, it wasn't. Yeah, it had to be really quick haul. And we hit Claire's too, so look for those videos, Justice and Claire's, when we went to the mall. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you want to enter in the giveaway for the Smooshy Mushy, what are those called? They're not Frozen Delights. They're something. Let me see it. Now it's gonna drive me crazy because I can't remember.
it's in cursive.
The Smooshy, it's Creamery. Yeah, Smooshy Mushy Creamery. I already knew that before I even saw it. I just like, Anyway, yeah, then make sure you subscribe and like and comment. Oh yeah, we do giveaways all the time when we get with the sometimes we give them to our friends or family, and sometimes we just give them away to you guys because we consider you guys friends too. Yeah! Alright guys, we'll see you on our next video.
Bye.